Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to the channel. In this video, we're going to be talking about this Ecoflow. Uh, I think so far this is the best price that I've seen. Recently, Costco has a promotions. I think 429 for this, and it doesn't come with the solar panel, the portable one. This one it does. So the regular price for this one is 579. And then you can clip the $80 coupons. And as you can see here, it says extra savings. So if you add both of these, the solar panel, 110 watts, along with this one, it's going to come out to be uh, about 452 altogether. So which is amazing. And you know that this one has a 720 watt hours, and this one is charged really quick, 0 to 80% within an hour. And this is perfect for camping, RV, outdoor, and off grid. So let's take a look some of the things you can do with this. So looking at the first one, like the electric frying pan, it requires 1,200 watts, and you can use it zero point 0.8 hours. Electric kettle, same thing, about zero point 0.8. And if you can use this to power your coffee maker. Not too many of the portable power stations can power some of this equipment here. For the refrigerator, 150 watts, 48 hours. Television, 110 watts, 5 to 10 hours. And the laptop, 10 times. And the CPAP machines, 12 to 24 hours. And as you can see, they have the outlet on the side over here, 3 of them. And they have 3 DC outlets and 100 watt USB Type C, which is great for you, for people that want to charge up like laptops. Okay, and 2 USB Type A and 1 fast charge USB. Uh, this one, it has the ability to add an extra battery. Okay, so you can see it as the battery right there. So you can expand this from 720 watt hours all the way to 1440. And you can charge this, all you need is just sunlight. Okay, so you can charge it. Beautiful. Okay, so I'm going to show you because I already added the 2 items into the cart, so you can see it yourself. Uh, Here's the breakdown. $928.99 and $46.45 discount promotion. All these added together, so before tax, it's 452. That's beautiful. Okay, if you're in the market for a power station, I don't think you can go wrong with this. And as you can see here, here's the breakdown of the prices. $186 for the portable um, uh, solar panel, and the unit itself from went down to $266. I'm gonna list all of the promotional code and all the everything that you need to get the price to $452.55. Okay, if you guys have any questions, let me know. Other than that, enjoy the savings. By the way, if you save money, please give it a like the video and make sure you subscribe for more saving videos. Okay, thank you very much and take care.